Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we diving into something that can significantly change the way you work, especially if you a freelancer, creator, entrepreneur, or small business owner. I'm talking about the Athenero Business Automation Bundle, a complete system that helps you use AI and no-code automation to save time, reduce repetitive work, and scale your business without stress. So let's break down what it is, who it's for, what's inside, and whether it's actually worth your money. 1. If you're like most solo business owners, your day is filled with repetitive tasks. Answering messages, organizing leads, following up with clients, updating spreadsheets, sending emails, posting content. These tasks are necessary, but they can easily eat up hours of your day. The truth is, working harder is not the answer. What you need are systems that work for you, even while you sleep. And that's where automation comes in. 2. What is Athenero? Athenero is an online learning platform specializing in AI and business automation for non-technical entrepreneurs. Meaning, you don't need coding skills, IT background, or complex software knowledge. Their goal is simple: teach normal business owners how to delegate work to automated workflows instead of doing everything by hand. They've trained over 30,000 plus students globally, especially freelancers, e-commerce sellers, coaches, and content creators. So yes, they're legit. What's inside the Business Automation Bundle? The bundle is a complete system that includes 7 step-by-step courses, PDF guides, and short video explainers. Templates and checklists you can copy and use immediately, real business automation examples at 24/7. AI tutor to help when you're stuck, and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Let's quickly go over the core modules. Module 1, AI Productivity System. You learn how to structure your business workflows so they run smoothly. Module 2, Automation Fundamentals. What to automate, what not to automate, and how to map a workflow. Module 3, Make and Zapier Training. This is where you learn how to connect your tools so tasks happen automatically. For example, when a client fills a form, gives your CRM updates, gives a welcome email, gives a project folder, is created automatically. No human input. Module 4, Lead and Client Automation Follow-ups. Lead capture, onboarding, all automated. Module 5, E-commerce Automation, Automatic Receipts. Order confirmation, support responses, etc. Module 6, AI Content Repurposing. Turn one piece of content into 10 plus formats, instantly. Module 7, Scaling with Automation. Replace time-heavy tasks with systems so the business runs without depending on you. 3. Who is this for? This bundle is perfect if you are a freelancer, a content creator, a digital marketer, a coach or service provider, a small business owner, someone who wants to work smarter, not harder. It's not for people looking for get-rich-quick shortcuts. You need to apply what you learn. 4. Pros and cons. Pros. No coding required, clear and easy to follow. Real workflows, not theory. Saves 10 hours per week. Templates make setup faster. Great value for the price. Cons. Requires 1 to 2 weeks of practice. Results depend on actually implementing the systems. Not for enterprise-level automation. 5. Pricing and final verdict. The bundle normally costs $297, but right now it's 50% off at $147. Considering that hiring an automation consultant can cost over $1,500, this is extremely cost-effective. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description. Start working smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.